Hello vlog channel. Hey. So it's actually the full moon this weekend, so I figured we would have a little fun and move furniture around. Women, am I right? When in doubt, dye your hair or rearrange the house. The full moon is just the perfect time, I don't know, to shake things up, to move things around, to get the energy flowing a little bit differently. So here for my desk, I am looking right at the bed or the mattress on the floor, as you guys know, and then the gym is over there on the other side of this little quarter of a wall or whatever this is. So I think I'm actually gonna swap them. Also, I really wanted to do this because filming wise, I think putting the gym here strategically would just give me more angles and better views and a lot more space to move around and work with. Having the gym over there to film is just, it's been really difficult to really change much of the angles because it's a very small space, like weirdly positioned, and those lights are really yellow. Like that whole room is really yellow, so these lights are more bright white. I mean, that's eso lo de menos, you know, I could always just change the lighting, but whatever, the space is bigger and better. So we're gonna try that out and see how it goes, and what better time to do weird shit than during the full moon.
Aunque hay muchos rumores, mucha gente que comenta, yeah. Yo sé que estás pa' mí, nunca vas a estar en venta. Quiero volverme viejito contigo a los 60. Solo contigo, bebé. Solo contigo, bebé. Que ponga nuestra canción y nos acordamos cuando en esos días había pasión. Yo no sé tú, pero quiero que haya esa conexión. Baby, no digas que no has extrañado esa sensación. Yo no sé tú, pero yo sí. Aunque nos hemos dejado y hemos tratado por ahí un par de veces, yeah. Alguien que te ame, yeah, tú te lo mereces, yeah. Has escuchado el dicho que si hubo fuego, baby, cenizas quedan, yeah. Y nunca se quema, yeah. Aunque seas ajena, yeah, yeah. Si por allá llueve, acá no escampa. Solo pienso en ti, en tu piel. Tú solo dime qué vamos a hacer con tanto placer. Y más de una vez me probé el ayer, el trasnocho del amanecer. Que ponga nuestra canción y nos acordamos cuando en esos días había pasión, yeah, yeah. Yo no sé tú, pero quiero que haya esa conexión. Baby, no digas que no has extrañado esa sensación, yeah. Yo no sé tú, pero yo sí. Dios sabe cuando te veo que ese sentimiento no se compara a nada. Ay, cómo extraño tus besos y me arrepiento que en ti ya no hay nada. Es que tú me encantas y ya sé mirar. Dímelo ni santa. Si por allá llueve.
There's just so much more room to film, even if I get like a little bit of like the fashion area or whatever in there, but I think this is gonna be so much better. So then I can even put the camera here and film this way. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a much better view for you guys. So now what remains is this going this way or this way. Yay! I'm excited. This is gonna be great.
Acá no escampa. Solo pienso en ti, en tu piel. Tú solo dime qué vamos a hacer con tanto placer. Y más de una vez me probé el ayer, el trasnocho del amanecer. Que ponga nuestra canción y nos acordamos cuando en esos días había pasión, yeah, yeah. Yo no sé tú, pero quiero que haya esa conexión. Baby, no digas que no has extrañado esa sensación, yeah. Yo no sé tú, pero yo sí. Aunque hay muchos rumores, mucha gente que comenta, yeah. Ya sé que estás pa' mí, nunca vas a estar en venta. Quiero volverme viejito contigo a los 60. Solo contigo, bebé. Solo contigo, bebé.
Ta-da! Alright, so this is now, I guess, the new gym. Let's get you guys taller so my head doesn't cut off. Alright, so this was over there. I don't know. I do think having it here is like more organized. Then I can always move like my little meditation chair out of the way and do like this kind of angle from here, or I can come bring it around this way and get a really nice angle here as well. And there's a lot more space. Hey Dutchers! Hi Papa! Hi Bobo! So, you know, you just put the mess on like the other side of the filming. And then let's go over here now. Dun, 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 dun. There is the bed. So honestly, when I first did this, I had the bed this way because over there is like the Wi-Fi and stuff, and I didn't want it to be close to me because, you know, don't need no rays hitting me overnight and stuff like that. But the outlet, like the mattress was covering the outlet, and then the cables, because my head was over there, so like the cables were on top of me from there to there. I don't know, it still, I felt like electricity was just frying me at night. So I think it lasted like a day, maybe two nights, and then I just shifted it over. So still head is over here in this direction, and I just made like a little barrier wall kind of thing over here. Also, so Dutch doesn't like fall off. I was able to minimize the wall of pillows to catch Dutch because we have like more stuff kind of blocked off. Honestly, I don't think she really likes it. Since I moved everything around, she hasn't really been coming to sleep on the bed with me at night, and then she'll just walk back and forth all night. I don't know if she's just getting a little worse, if she's not feeling well, or what's going on. But yeah. Last night she was breathing really heavy. She was like up wheezing for a while. She seems like chill now during the day. She's been sleeping. Just trying to keep her asleep as much as possible and here with us if she's, you know, if she's okay enough to be here. Because I've also been thinking about that lately too. Like, how will I know when, you know, she's just suffering too much? And how do you make that call? That's whatever. I don't want to think about it right now, but just things. Wow, what a difference in lighting. Wow, those light bulbs are good. I wish I knew which ones they were. There's literally 4 different light bulbs in this. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, right. So that's the little, I don't know, the little furniture turnaround. I just needed to shake some things up in life, and I didn't feel like dyeing my hair this time. So we moved furniture around, trying to get a better flow of energy, trying to shake shit up. Let the universe know, like, hey, making changes over here. Let's keep some changes flowing. I don't know. I'm excited though to film in this new little gym section, so I'm gonna go work on that now. And I love you. Oh, this is for my vlog channel. So I made a Facebook group, the Love Bug Fit Club. So I don't know, corny, but it fit. It sounded cute, I thought. So it's just like for us to hang out and stuff. I figure it's a good way to have like a community without it being like, come to my channel and talk to me in my comments. Like, this is a group that everyone can, you know, chill and hang out. So I will leave the link down below for you guys. I'm not going to open this up to like the whole world, just like my core audience. So yeah, I hope to see you guys over there. Love you. Mwah.